Okay, the first start, and has Super Mario 134 said, be creative. So, let's get creative. First thing you need is a pot. And the second thing you need is you put it over here, and then you cook it up. Now we wait. Yeah. Anyways, let's wait. The water's boiling heavy. We put this nice and good. Oh, now stir it. Oh my gosh, I made too much spaghetti. After we wait, we put salt. Almost everything. So we put some salt in there. We just wait. That's simple, huh? Ludwig, oh boy. Ludwig, I don't know what to do, and I'm gonna keep an eye on you because you burned the house down. Okay, Father. I'm still spaghetti all too good. Shake it all off and get all that water. You pour it in the bowl. The spaghetti's all done. Turn off the. You pour it in here. Come on. No. Yeah, that's right. Get all that spaghetti. Spaghetti all too good. Shake it all off and get all that water. You pour it in the bowl. Then you add the salt. Here we go. And that's how we cook from Ludwig. See you guys later. Bye. No, where's my hat? Where's my hat? Ludwig, where's your hat? Sorry.